Hey folks, in today's video we're going to talk about enums. Now, what is enums? Enums allows to define a constant. Let's say here you have a function that is going to check if a given customer is active in our database. Let's say function check customer. Let's say is customer active? This is a function that is going to check if our customer is active. And then here we are going to pass here the status. The status is going to be a number. And then here we're going to say if status is equal to 1, we're going to say console.log customer is active. Else, then let's say if status is equal to 0, we're going to console.log customer is not active. And then here we can call our function is customer active, and then here we can pass a number here. And then let's transpose down our enum file to JavaScript. Let's get back and then tap tsc command and then executes. Once it's done, and then we can get into the build folder, then we can run using the nodes enum. And here we can see the message customer is active, because here we are putting here 1 here. This is not a clean code. Suppose you spend 2 months and you haven't opened your project, and then you come back and then you can add another type. For example, if status is equal to free, do things here. And this is not a good code. Someone can get into your code and see these numbers. He can't understand. It doesn't mean anything, for example. And what if you can define a constant to make your code clean? And TypeScript offers enums. To declare in enums, we use enum keywords. Let's say user, say customer status, like this. And then we're gonna say the first status is going to be active. And then here we're gonna say 1. The second status is going to be inactive. Inactive underscore inactive. I'm gonna say here 0. And here we can come back here and then say, instead of passing here a number, we can do just this enum that's active. And now this is a clean code. This is a clean code. We can have a bunch of instruction here under this block. And if the status is customer status is equal to active, do something. If customer status is equal to inactive, do something. This is a clean code and readable code. Guys, you can see that we have now a clean code here using enums. Let's see another example before we recap here. Let's enum error level. Error level. And then here we can say hi. Can do even this. Let me cut this, and then we can do medium. Here we have medium here, and then another status here. Let's say low. And this is an enum that we have created of numbers, and this is an enum which have string here. And then here we can achieve the same thing. For example, we can create a function to check the error level within our app. Check error level, like this. Say it's going to be a string. Then here we can do if error, we are going to call the enum error that's level high equal to high, do something here. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next one.